an ever-increasing problem is that of blood sugar stabilization. At 365 Healthy by Choice, we have Stabila blood sugar control, and this product has got very specific herbs and highly dense nutrient foods specifically aimed to do all sorts of things, including activate oxygen, including activate absorption of and encourage absorption of insulin into the cell, nourishment into the cell, to break metabolic syndrome, to bring in antioxidants, to work on the pancreas, on the beta cells of the pancreas, to clear the pancreas of viruses, bacteria, fungi, and toxins. So it works like a bomb. It works quickly, and it's in a 120 capsule bottle. We would take 2 capsules in the morning before meals, 1 at lunchtime before meal, and 1 at an evening meal before the meal. It's got things like gymnema and green tea extract and turmeric and spirulina, Siberian ginseng, cinnamon, raw cacao, kelp, cloves, black walnut hull, artemisia. Combination to help insulin through the cells, breakdown of glucose, release of energy in the body, breakdown of fats, breakdown of sugars, removal of parasites in the pancreas, stimulation and working with the beta cells. So really, it's just an amazing product for blood sugar stabilization. You would also get to the root cause, and there would have to be nutritional advice to have a sustainable stability. And this will restore the body so that they don't need to take tablets anymore.